kids, welcome to 3rd standard English grammar class. Today I come with lesson number 19. Lesson name is the subject and predicate. With the help of workbook I am going to explain about subject and predicate. In sentence which are subject and which are predicate I am going to explain. Okay. A sentence is a group of words. When we write with the help of so many words we make a sentence. बहुत सारे words की सहायता से हम sentence बनाते हैं. And in sentences some parts belong to subjects and some parts belongs to predicate that we are going to learn today. Okay, look at the given picture and sentences also. First picture, the dog runs in the park. इस पिक्चर में, इन दिस पिक्चर डॉग रन्स इन द पार्क. पार्क में डॉग कुत्ता दौड़ रहा है. सो हु डज द वर्क, काम कौन कर रहा है? डॉग. द डॉग रन्स इन द पार्क. एंड व्हाट इज द वर्क ऑफ डॉग? डॉग का काम क्या है? रनिंग इन द पार्क. पार्क में दौड़ना. सो dog is a subject and runs in the park is a predicate. Okay, now look at the next picture. We play tennis every evening. रोज शाम को हम टेनिस खेलते हैं. So who are playing? We. मीन्स काम यहाँ पे कौन कर रहा है? किसके द्वारा टेनिस खेलने का काम हो रहा है? We, हम लोगों के द्वारा. So we is a subject and play tennis every day evening is a predicates. Okay, now look at the these sentences. Okay, the words the dog and we form the naming part, which is the subject of the sentence. Or in other language we can say that all naming part are subject. जितने भी naming part हैं वो subject होते हैं. The subject of a sentence names the people or things we are talking. So look at the definition of a subject. The subject of sentence names the people or things we are talking about. जिसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं, people और चीज़ों के बारे में, वो subject हैं. The name of the people and things are subject. Okay, now look at the next. The subject usually comes at the beginning of a sentence. To identify subject, this is the next point. Subject always comes at the starting of a sentence. Sentence का शुरुआत. और we can say that all sentences are started with subject. सभी sentence subject से ही start होते हैं. The words runs in the park and play tennis every evening tell us something about the subject. That is the action part, which is predicate of a sentence. Runs in the park, play tennis every evening. These words tell us something about the subject. Okay, ये runs in the park, this tell us about the dog. runs in the park से हमें डॉग के बारे में पता चल रहा है. play tennis every evening, इससे हमें we के बारे में, हम लोगों के बारे में पता चल रहा है. so these are the predicate. And look at the definition. The predicate of a sentence tell us something about the subject. Predicate always tell us about the subject. predicate से हमें subject के काम के बारे में, action of subject we know by predicate. Okay, so with the help of workbook I explain the meaning or definition of subject and predicate. Now with the help of blackboard I am going to give you question answer related with this lesson. Okay.